Space Patrol, Mission to Planet Freeze. Episode 1, Missing Packages.
It's delivery day, Bot,
Ringo said. Bot lit up.
Maybe your package came today.
Ringo and Bot raced down the hallway. They went into the cargo room. A worker sat at a desk.
Did any packages arrive today?
Ringo asked. The worker shook his head.
Nope, nothing came yesterday either.
Mom sent a package weeks ago.
Ringo said.
Where is it?
Lucy ran into the cargo room. She looked excited.
Did any packages arrive today?
Ringo shook his head.
Humph!
Lucy stomped her foot.
I ordered new rocket sneakers weeks ago.
Something's wrong,
Ringo said.
I'll talk to Captain Nova. We have a problem, Captain,
Ringo said. I know, Captain Nova said. I was about to call you.
You know about the missing packages?
Ringo asked. Oh yes, Captain Nova said. I'm waiting for a box of space jerky. But there's a bigger problem than that.
What's wrong?
Ringo asked. The Freezies need help, Captain Nova said. Planet Freeze is melting.
That's strange,
Ringo said.
I'll go and check it out.
Space Patrol, Mission to Planet Freeze. Episode 2, Puddles.
I see Planet Freeze,
Bot said. Ringo shivered.
Here's a lot of ice.
Bot nodded.
That's a big frozen ocean.
I see water, too.
Ringo said. Bot pointed to a big sun.
Planet Freeze's sun looks really big. It should be smaller.
Aha!
Ringo cried.
That's why the planet is melting.
The spaceship flew down to the planet. Ringo and Bot found the Freezies' village. The buildings were domes. Ringo saw some ice mountains.
This planet has so much ice and snow.
He took a step. Splash!
And puddles, too.
Bot looked at the ground.
There are cracks in the ice,
she said.
Space Patrol!
A Freezie hurried over. He stomped through puddles.
I'm Zoop. leader of the Freezies.
Ringo told Zoop about the sun. Zoop frowned.
Oh. So the sun is melting the ice.
It's melting fast,
Bot said. Zoop shook his head.
This is bad. Freezies like cold places. We must leave Planet Freeze at once.
Where will you go?
Ringo asked. Zoop looked up at the sky.
The Freezies will move to Planet Ice.
Space Patrol, Mission to Planet Freeze. Episode 3, A Crack in the Ice. The Freezies loaded their spaceship. Ringo and Bot helped. Ringo carried tools with Zoop. Their feet splashed in the water. Zoop looked up at the planet's sun.
The sun is getting even bigger,
he said.
Oh.
He wiped his forehead.
And hotter.
Uh-oh!
A Freezy cried.
The mountain is moving!
Ringo looked up. He saw a big chunk of ice. The ice chunk slid down the mountain. It was coming toward the village.
Everyone, get out of the way!
Ringo called. Freezies ran out of the ice chunk's path. The ice came to a stop.
Phew! That was close.
Ringo said. Then big cracks formed under the chunk. Crack! Ringo saw the ice break apart. Now there was a big sea.
Uh-oh, Zoop.
Ringo said.
Your spaceship! It's on the other side of the water!
Freezies!
Zoop yelled.
We must swim to our spaceship!
Suddenly, something rose from the water. Ringo gasped.
What's that?
a space fish.
Bot said. The space fish opened its huge mouth. It chomped the spaceship. Crunch! Space Patrol, Mission to Planet Freeze. Episode 4, Saving Freezies.
Our ship is ruined!
Zoop cried. The space fish dived back into the water. Splash! A big wave rose up. Ringo saw Freezy slip off the ice. Zoop fell into the water.
Grab my hand!
Ringo said. He pulled Zoop back onto the ice. Other Freezies floated in the water. They climbed onto ice chunks. The ice bobbed in the waves.
Oh no!
Zoop said.
Everyone is drifting apart!
Help!
A Freezy cried.
Vitty's in danger!
Zoop said. Vitty was on a tiny piece of ice. The space fish swam by. Help! She called again.
We'll help.
Ringo said. He and Bot got in their spaceship. The ship flew over the ice chunks. Ringo opened the hatch. Bot reached down with her long arm.
Liddy, grab my arm!
She said. Viddy held on tightly. Bot put Viddy down with Zoop. Ringo and Bot rescued more Freezies. Bot put down the last Freezie. She started to bring her arm back up. Splash! The space fish leaped from the water. Chomp! It grabbed Bot's arm with its teeth.
Bot!
Ringo cried. Space Patrol, Mission to Planet Freeze. Episode 5, The Space Fish. The space fish pulled Bot's arm.
Are you okay?
Ringo called.
I'm fine!
Bot said. The fish dragged the ship across the ocean.
I can't fly the ship.
Ringo said.
That fish is too strong.
Ringo fired the ship's laser. But he couldn't hit the fish.
The ship is bouncing too much.
He said. Bot pulled in her arm. The spaceship moved closer to the fish. Ringo fired again. Splash! Water blocked the laser. Ringo cried.
What should I do?
He looked around the ship.
Oh.
He found a long antenna. Then he poked the fish with it. The space fish wiggled.
This fish is ticklish.
Ringo cried. Ringo poked the fish again. The fish wiggled all over. It jerked its head. Its mouth opened. The spaceship flew through the air.
Ah!
Ringo said. Bam! The ship slammed into something. Then it crashed onto ice and slid backward.
Ouch!
Ringo rubbed his head. Then he saw a huge spaceship.
That's a delivery ship.
Ringo said. The driver smiled.
Space Patrol! I'm happy to see you! I've been stuck here for days.